Open the dust-proof plug. Use a crosshead screwdriver to remove the two screws fixing the rear cover. Use a pry piece to align with the groove and pry off the rear cover. Remove the dust-proof plug. Install the dust-proof plug. Fix the dust-proof plug to the rear cover. Install the rear cover onto the battery. Confirm that the installation is in place. Tighten the to-fixing screws. Close the dust-proof plug.